Nutritious and Delicious, and we are into part two of Everyday Hacks. So, I'm going to give you guys a few more tips here, and it's going to help save you time and be a little bit more convenient for your life. So, number one is actually grilling your salmon with laying down thick slices of lemon first on the barbecue. So, this is actually going to help the fish not stick to the barbecue, and it's also going to give a great lemony flavor as well because it's going to obviously get absorbed into the fish when it's cooking. So that's really fantastic too. So number two is to actually make easy yogurt popsicles for the kids. What you want to do is you want to break the top of the yogurt lid with a popsicle stick going straight down into it and freezing the whole batch. And once they're frozen, all you need to do is actually just peel off the lid and take it out the container, and it's actually attached to the popsicle stick, which is really easy. Number three is actually storing tomatoes is actually better when they're left out of the fridge and stem side down. They actually last longer, okay? Number four is when peaches and avocados are not actually ripe and they're really hard and you can't eat them. Stick them in a brown paper bag and they actually release gas and they can actually ripen so much faster that way as well. Number five is actually checking to see if your eggs have gone bad. This is a really cool one. So if you actually place the whole egg very gently in a bowl of water, if the egg is going to sink or swim, basically, if the egg is going to go down to the bottom, then that's a good sign. If it actually floats, then what has happened is there's a gas bubble in the egg and it's actually starting to rot. So it's actually a good way to check your expiry date if you're not too sure if your eggs are still good or not. And last but not least here, with fall around the corner, we have a lot of pumpkin and squash available. So to get rid of the pesky seeds that are inside of them, they're kind of hard to scoop out sometimes. Use an ice cream scoop. That's actually really handy. Or even if you have like a melon baller or something like that, that's actually super handy too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the hacks and write a comment below if you'd like to know about more of them. And we'll see you next week. Bye for now.